Uh-oh. Someone doesn't have an easy pass, does he? Oh, you've got to be kidding. My exit's coming up. Let's take the toll lane that's furthest to the left.
It's only $20,000 in a single month. Not to be a cunt, but that's about $100,000 after taxes. If you're lucky, maybe you keep 90 at this point.
Yeah,
and is on track to make a minimum
behind
of
me where there's
$1.6
no one.
million
Why?
in 2009.
Just got on 84 and what? I'm right here. And you got snow on your roof. Whoa! Patience! And also, don't run red lights either. Both of yous.
You cannot resort to those give-up plays where you have the ball in the air and see what happens. That can't happen in the
that's
NFL.
not how that intersection works.
You can't do that in the NFL.
And thump my fucking chest. I mean, it's just the funniest fucking thing. And every time I do this, right?
Deers.
All these guys are going, like, all right, Bill, this joke's getting old.
Quit fidgeting with your iPad thing dealy.
Oh, Jesus. Dude, that's why I can't go back, because I swear to God, I could drink about 16 of those right now. I could drink 16 of those and would actually have the audacity to defend myself. I'm making that. Fuck that. I'm making that thing. All right. All right. Okay. Those were the gayer moments I had, huh? Singing, I'm coming out, singing about the pie that I'm going to make. Well, maybe I'm comfortable with my sexuality.
Texting.
Joe Barton, a hot sleeper. Like a plush or firm bed, with Helix, there's no more guessing or compromising. Just go to helixsleep.com/Burr, take their 2-minute sleep quiz, and they'll match you to a mattress that will give you the best sleep of your life. For couples, Helix can even split the mattress down the middle, providing individual support needs.
Really? Alright everybody, it's that time of year again. It's time for drivers that suck at cleaning snow off their cars. This first guy figures the wind will just blow the snow off. Not a smart move there. Whoa! How are you supposed to see out your back window with a big pile of snow in your trunk? Not only do you have the car in front of me that doesn't know how to blow snow off the roof, neither do the two cars in the left turn lane either. I guess when you blow all your money in a nice fancy Buick, a nice fancy snow brush is out of the question. There is no hope for this one right here. Alright, which one did a better job? The car on the right or the car on the left? Vote now! It's like, I can't see the license plate, I can't see the lights, I can't... What in the fridge? You can't do that! Volvos are only safe when you clear all the snow off of them.
That I have known for...
And we got a blizzard! Now these people might be sound pros, but one thing they are not are snow pros. Oh! So you're willing to tell me the federal government is willing to outfit their vehicles with chains, but they won't give you a broom or something to sweep off the snow from the top? You got snow on your roof and you got snow on your back windshield. You failed today. And it's getting late in the day. You had all day to frickin' clear the snow off. Well, that's all the time we have this week on drivers who suck at cleaning snow off their cars. But don't worry, there is more to come soon. So stay tuned.
Fucking take it off and just start screaming at people.
The sheriff
So I had a couple
does
of
not
good
stop
sets,
at all.
and I got off stage. I don't know what.
That up, but at the end of the day, the New York Jets did not stupidly, in my opinion, trade a 24-year-old stud safety in Jamal.
Yeah, he
Hyde.
turned
So for that
right
reason,
from left
Joe,
turn lane.
should we be in good mood?
Best thing that probably could possibly happen to this franchise is losing to Miami and the Giants. And maybe this owner waking up and
Go.
realizes,
Wake
oh
up.
my God, I made a
Stop talking to the guy.
mistake.
$1,000.
Okay, and so you have $120,000 income approximately.
On our budget, it's about $6,000 even every month.
Plus, you've got another $20,000
He-
coming in. And how much debt do you? How much debt do you have? Not
Jeez,
counting
can
the
you get
phone?
out of the way? I don't.
Our student loan debt is our only debt we've paid off.
You last night, but I'm not going to take credit. I'm just kidding. I don't have
Red
any
light
sway
runner.
power. I just report the news to you.
10 minutes in the season. 2010, 2011, Xenon Canopka.
What?
307 minutes. That's the last time a player hit 300.
You've got to be kidding me.
2001, 2002, Peter Worrell hit 300.
Holy shit, that road is a loop. Just go make a left at the next light. These people are just fucking brain dead.
I'm not. I cannot believe this shit. Let me guess. He's going for. Yeah, he's going straight on 9. What the frick? What the frick? I can't win anymore.
But yeah, I was really disappointed in how the Raiders played that game. It was still a one-possession game. You know, at the end with a chance to tie it. Now that.
Last second merge. The hell's that guy doing? He's like almost into the street. There.
What do we know?
None of us know.
Red.
Ed Oliver, until
These guys are supposed to be smarter than we are.
What the fuck are you doing?
You smarter than
What the hell are you doing?
one sack. So far this season, until 3 weeks ago, he had a sack against Miami.
That's a weird dual turn fail.
Logical thing. I love having a padded savings account. That's where the most of it goes.
Okay.
And then I take about the extra. Go ahead.
I said, okay, go ahead. You're fine.
Okay.
You have a plan,
That-
you have a
that-
system, and
that could have been
so how much
planned
is in the
better.
savings?
Okay. Why the hell are you sitting in the middle? I mean, Easy Pass does work in both lanes. And a signal would have helped. Uh-oh, someone made a wrong turn. And it's just this. We made a wrong turn and have to make a U-turn. Oh no! I believe it's red light runs.
It's like that is going to happen. But there's a team that's kind of a sleeper to me, the Buffalo Bills. They're entrenched right now with the lead wild
direct
card, a
hit.
2-game lead over Pittsburgh.
You got snow coming from your roof down to your windshield. Clean that shit. I feel like a broken record today. Red.
Be confident and strong. But
You're about to get on the highway with that much snow on your fucking Subaru.
you want everything, right? That's
Or,
is that
no,
what
that's
you,
a Jeep.
is that what you're fucking saying? You want the whole thing
He
to go
doesn't even
exactly
know how a
you
merge
want it to go,
works.
is basically what you're
Or a
saying.
yield sign
This
works.
is how nuts women are. They
And a red light runner as well. What the hell? Man, people are on crazy pills this morning. Uh-oh, you're in the wrong lane.